This is the story of a Muslim man who left this world with nothing. One day, Abdullah got sick. He was lying on the bed, unable to move. Abdullah was having 100,000 dirham in a box inside his house. Back then, that was a lot of money. And one of his Muslim brother went to visit him. When the visitor was there, Abdullah pointed his finger towards the box. When the visitor went to the box, Abdullah told him, "This is 100,000 dirham and I have never paid zakah from it. Nor did I use that money to join ties of relations." His Muslim brother asked him, "Why were you gathering this wealth?" He said, "I gathered it so that I can use it in a difficult time, or so I can be able to take more wives and have more children." Sometimes later, after the visit of the Muslim brother, Abdullah passed away, leaving behind him his wealth. Nobody really knows how long he's going to live. The risk belongs to Allah. Don't worry about the future. Don't worry about what's going to happen in 10 years or who's going to take care of your family. Who took care of you since you were in your mother's womb up until now? Allah. He loves you more than your mother loves you. Put your trust in Allah. Know that He won't put you in an unfavorable position. He is in control. I'm not saying don't plan. Yes, you plan and you put your trust in Allah, knowing that everything goes according to His divine wisdom. He knows and we do not know. Knowing that He will never forsake us. Use the money that Allah gave you to earn Allah's pleasure. Give zakat, charity, build mosque. Use the money Allah gave you to tie your family relationships before it's too late. Once you leave this world, that money won't follow you and it won't benefit you at all. Start doing those good actions now before it's too late. Thank you so much for watching the video. Jazakumullahu khairan for that. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. For more motivation, watch our next video that's currently displaying on the screen. I will see you there.